Alright, kitty, you did good. So I think we have a little photo shoot of Christmas for a project that I'm going to tell you pretty soon. But we need to pack everything because we do have an appointment this morning. Yes, again, another repair on the van. This one I knew about it, so it's not like a really big surprise. We do have the front tie rod on the driver's side to get fixed, and hopefully just that. Hopefully he's not gonna find other stuff. All right, I'm gonna put everything back and remove the Christmas decoration because it's a little bit too early for that. Hi, kitty. You did so good with the Christmas decoration. I'm gonna see what we got.
Hello, how are you?
Again, yeah?
Good, thanks.
Just wanted to make sure that you have my phone number. I'm probably gonna go at the Tim Horton.
258?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it wrong. I figure you need a tie rod in, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Driver's side.
I'll give you a call.
Yeah, sounds good.
Just gotta figure out which one it is, get it ordered here, and then get it done.
Sounds good. All right.
Okay,
Thank
thanks.
you. It is so strange to vlog in front of like the main street, but the van is gonna get fixed. Hopefully just a tie rod, and we're gonna go at Tim Horton during that time. We are walking back. I just had time to grab a coffee. The shop called me back. Apparently everything is good. I just need new tire. I don't have a tie rod problem. Right now I'm just a little bit confused. I'm like, why someone in one garage told me that I need a tie rod change? But at least I'm saving money. If I don't need one, that would be great. So if you wonder, this is the shop that I went to. I went a couple of times, and they always seems to be quite honest, and so we're just gonna need to get new tire, which that was the plan anyway. And after the new tire, get them balanced and everything, and I'm gonna be able to really test to see. He showed me the bump, which is true. It's got a huge bump, which I'm gonna show you. We're just gonna move. So it's gonna be hard for you to see. But you see the big bump, which I know the tires are done. Like I said, the plan was to get this tie rod situation done, but it's got a big bow and it's get more flat here. Right now it's fine, and right here it's got this huge bow, which I didn't even realize that it was cracking, and they are completely done. This is about to burst. I'm surprised. This is all bad. Okay, yeah, we need new tire. The crazy part is I thought that this tire was the worst one, didn't realize. So this tire's got a little wear on this side. We did a tire rotation this summer to get me through it a little bit. But yeah, everything is good I need here. I'm glad I didn't go in the backcountry for the past couple of weeks. Because I was like, I don't feel safe with my tire situation, and I didn't even saw that huge bow, so which is about to burst, look like it. So we definitely gonna have to do a couple phone call, get some new tire. I do currently have the KO2 tire. And the guy's got the same one, and he said at the end it did the same thing to him, kind of the bow. But I do like those ones. They've been good. I don't know if I want to go with the same brand. I kind of would like something that it's pretty good on snow. Those are rated to go in like 4 seasons snow. I can do the mountain range, but they're okay on snow, but not. I kind of need like everything. That's my problem. I need like good on like regular road, good on backcountry, which those one are, and good in the snow, good overall. So I like the look of the KO2. The look, like the bulky look, doesn't last very long, unfortunately, but when you put them, you're like, ah, yeah. after a couple of months, you're like, oh, yeah, they look like normal tire. But all right, but the plan is to get new tires. All right, before you telling me what I can hear, Emmy, why you just have those really bad tires? You should have changed that before, bro. First, calm down. We only have a bow in one tire. I know it's not good, but it's just one tire. The rest are okay. The plan was to change my tire. The reason why I didn't do it before my summer road trip is I was really debating on maybe having my van lift and having obviously bigger tire and all of this, doing a big change on the outside, which I made my decision to not do it. So that was the reason. And when one person told me that a tie rod need to be fixed, I decided, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get it fixed here on the island because I know the guy, I know he's doing a good job and all of this. And we know the van broke down in Kamloops and I had some appointment in Vancouver. It's been a mess couple of days. So that's why I've been driving, and I never realized. I thought that was the tie rod who was doing all that, that kind of like shaking, if you want, when I was driving. I didn't thought that was the actual tire that was having a bow. So why someone told me that I had a tie rod problem, that's, you know, would not be the first person who told me that I have something in my van that don't need to be changed. So I'm super grateful that this shop is just super honest, and it just, you know, don't charge me for anything. That's why I go back and see them, because they're really awesome. So all that being said, we're gonna do a couple of phone calls, try to get some tire ASAP. I would like to know if you do have the KO2 tire on stock. 225, 75, or 16. Awesome. How fast I could get an appointment to get them installed? You must be quite busy right now. Today? Oh wow. Oh, that would be awesome. Perfect. So we do have an appointment. Another appointment in 2 hours. That's awesome. I found one shop here in town. We could get them in stock like for you in a day here. Could get them in town for you in a day. I'm like, oh, how fast can you get me an appointment to get them installed? He's like, oh, we are booked for like a certain month. I'm like, oh, that's not gonna work. I need tire right now. And he's like, well, if you leave me in your van all day, I can like maybe squeeze you in somehow this week, but maybe your vehicle's gonna have to stay for more than a day. I'm not sure. It's just like if we have time. I'm like, oh no, I cannot do that. I live in my van. So I'm like, oh, whatever, thank you. And I was like, oh, I hope it's not gonna be all the shop like this, because it's the tire season change right now. It was supposed to be done like 2 weeks ago. For those people who want to change from summer tire to winter tire, they had to do it on October 1st. But I was like, oh, maybe it's just gonna be all this. And I found one other shop that I saw online that they have KO2 tire and they are pretty good price. And I was like, okay, hopefully they can get me right away. It's just like, can you come today? I'm like, what? Today? Yes. I didn't expect that. I'm gonna have tire today! Alright, one thing that I was working on this morning that I took some picture of Kitty. By the way, I'm sorry if you hear the fan, it's the heater. It's chilly today. I took some picture because I do have a little project. You guys been asking me to get my picture of my bear, my iceberg, and all those things, all my photography, nature photography, to get them so you guys can have them too. So I've been doing some little tests this morning. I just ordered some Christmas type of card, just card, wish card, birthday card, whatever card you want. And I did one especially with Kitty for Christmas. So I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek of Kitty. And we do I have like 6 I think total. That's another one. We have my iceberg. No, that's what I wanted to do this morning while the van was in the garage, and I didn't have time. So now we got it. Kitty look good. You look good, Kitty. Yeah. So yeah, that should I'm gonna obviously let you know when I'm gonna arrive. Obviously, hopefully it's gonna look good and all this. So that should be beginning of November. So just want to let you know that was my to-do list. I wanted to do that before the summer road trip, and just the summer has been too hot to work on anything. When it's really hot, I don't want to work online. I don't want to be in the van. I don't want to be beside my laptop. So now that it's chilly, I just feel to do those type of things. So that's done. All right. So we're not gonna make anything to eat because I'm probably gonna have to spend again more time at Tim Hortons. It's gonna be a day at Tim Hortons because I think it's a Tim Hortons right beside the tire shop. So we're gonna go there. Gonna go drop the van. And probably gonna go at Tim Hortons and work online. A little bit of the change of plan. Kitties has to come with me because they have a reliability thing, so I didn't want to be responsible for an animal in a van, which is alright. So we're gonna have to wait inside. Alright, we are back. We are back, Kitty. So, Kitty did awesome. It happens from time to time that some shop doesn't want Kitty to stay inside the vehicle, which I understand. So just wanted to mention because I know some of you want to travel with their cat or with their pet or whatever. So just be understanding if something happened, which was my biggest fear when I got Kitty. I was like, what I'm gonna do if we have like, you know, need some van repair. And sometimes you have to go to those big shops, especially those big commercial shops that are more like have more rules about that. But yeah, so just wanted to let you know you deserve some little treats. I already gave you some inside. Took a little bit for her to kind of get used to the noise. She doesn't like tire shop. They do make a lot of noise, and but she calmed down after a couple minutes, which is great. I'm lucky. Sometimes I go outside with her during that time, but didn't have any quiet spot here for me to go outside with her. So that's done. I am stoked that we got it so fast. Tires are good. Brakes are good. No tire rod problem. So that's good. I'm gonna show you guys my tire, but we're gonna move. Gonna let the space for the next people. Inkity. All right, let's test this van. See our good. Let's drive it now. I am stoked. I can feel it already, guys. Oh, the smoothness. It's smooth. Smooth, 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 like butter. Nothing better than a van was driving well. And then did alignment. So here we go. 30-day guarantee, lifetime, rebalancing, flat repair, tire rotation, air check, air up, all those things are included, which is great. I need to remember myself that though, because I think the last one I purchased I got tire too, and maybe I had something like this and I forgot. So I'm gonna show you my tire, guys. There you go. Right now the tires are blue, guys, but this come off, okay? It's gonna be white. Ooh, check the van. So that's awesome. That's a problem fix in one day, guys. We got everything all day. And for those of you who know things about tire and like, Amy, why you didn't get the KO3? KO3 are the new ones, kind of update a little bit better. Unfortunately, they don't have any. I don't know if it's just any in Canada or any in general. They don't have any on my tire size, so I cannot have them. So for right now, at least. So, but that's okay. We got new tire. We are good for a while, and now just tire chain, and I think we're gonna be good. Yeah, I'm thinking. I'm like, do I have more repair, more stuff to do? I do have one thing. My rust, but that's coming. I got some news today, but I don't want to say it because a lot of people told me they will do it and never do it. So, but I may have someone. I might. All right, guys, what a day. I feel like I've been talking a lot today. I don't know if it's true or it's just like it was a long day for me. But hopefully no more tire, no more repair, no more. We're good. We're good for a little bit. Let's go enjoy. Let's hopefully the next video is gonna be in the backcountry. What you guys think? We should go in backcountry and enjoy. Because I didn't want to go with my old tire. No, we're good. We're gonna go try them. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty, who just enjoying van life back. Hey, Miss Kitty. She's like, oh yeah, I'm so happy to be back home. Yeah. Yeah. You did good. Yeah. That was just for a little bit. Yeah, I know. I don't think she's gonna give us a little kiss. Yeah, she's like, no, I'm just enjoying the quiet of being inside the van. Yeah, boy. Yeah, well, you did good. You did good. You did good. You did good. Want to give us a kiss? Oh, mini kiss. Oh, we gotta accept. We gotta accept. It's a good one. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your quiet evening, Kitty. You deserve it.